In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to redeem your gift card on Groupon. Let's get started. First, launch your Groupon app, or you can also use the web version. For this guide, I'm going to use the web version. Navigate to the official website of Groupon, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now different options will appear. Head over to the option Redeem Gift Card. With that, you will be directed to the gift card redemption page where you can enter the details of your Groupon gift card. Carefully type in your gift card code in the provided field. Double check the code to ensure there are no mistakes. Then click on the button to add the gift card balance to your account. Once the code is verified, the gift card value will be applied to your Groupon account and will be available to use toward future purchases and deals on the platform. And that's it. This is how you can easily redeem gift card on Groupon. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.